Hello, and welcome to Daily Slow English. My name is Bruno, and I'm very happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Thank you for spending your time learning English with us.
This channel is for people who want to speak English slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
We know learning English can feel difficult sometimes,
You may understand English.
but speaking is harder,
That's normal.
and that's why we are here.
We speak slowly.
We explain step by step.
We practice real English for real life.
Before we start, please help our channel grow. Subscribe to Daily Slow English and give this episode a like.
Section 1. Today's topic. Tell me about yourself.
We go slowly, step by step.
Today's topic is very important. It's a question you hear all the time.
At work,
At school,
when you meet someone new,
or when you travel.
the question is,
Tell me about yourself.
many beginners feel nervous when they hear this question.
They think,
What should I say?
how much should I say?
Is my English good enough?
Today, we will answer all these questions.
First, let's understand the question.
Tell me about yourself does not mean your whole life.
People don't want a long story,
They want a short and friendly introduction.
just basic information.
Name,
Country,
work or studies.
and maybe one personal detail. Take a short breath. Ready for section 2?
Section 2. Step-by-step models and shadowing round 1.
Let's start with your name.
This is always the first step.
You can say,
My name is Bruno.
or
I'm Bruno.
both are correct.
I'm is more natural in conversation.
My name is a little more formal.
You can choose what feels comfortable.
Now, practice with us. Repeat slowly.
Repeat, I'm Anna. Repeat, my name is Anna.
Good. Try with your name now.
Next question. Where are you from? This is very common.
You can say,
I'm from Brazil.
that's enough. You don't need the city.
You can add one small detail if you want.
For example,
I'm from Brazil, but I live abroad now.
or
I'm from Brazil, and I really like my country.
now repeat with us.
Repeat, I'm from Portugal. Repeat, I'm from Angola, but I live in Portugal.
Great job.
Sometimes people ask your age. How old are you?
You can answer directly.
I'm 35 years old.
Or shorter,
I'm 35.
you can also be general.
I'm in my 30s.
And remember,
You don't have to answer this question.
now let's talk about work or studies.
People often ask, what do you do?
This means your job or your studies.
You can answer in simple ways.
For example,
I work in an office. I work with computers. I'm a student. I study English.
you don't need job titles. Simple explanations are perfect.
Repeat slowly with us.
Repeat, I work in a shop. Repeat, I study at night.
Sometimes people want to know your routine.
You can talk about daily life.
For example, I work during the day. I study in the evening. I work from home.
These sentences help people understand your life.
Now, let's talk about likes.
This makes the conversation more personal.
You can say, I like music. I like movies. I like learning new things.
You can also talk about hobbies.
In my free time, I like walking. I enjoy cooking. I like spending time with my family.
Excellent. Time for complete examples.
Section 3. Complete example and shadowing round 2.
Listen to a complete example.
Hi, my name is Bruno. I'm from Brazil, I work in IT, and I work with computers every day. In my free time, I like learning English and helping people. I also enjoy music and coffee.
That is a great introduction. Not too long, not too short.
Let's practice together. Repeat with me, sentence by sentence.
Repeat, Hi, my name is Anna. Repeat, I'm from Portugal. Repeat, I work in an office. Repeat, in my free time, I like cooking. Repeat, I also enjoy music and coffee.
One more time, a little faster. Repeat, I'm from Portugal. Repeat, I work in an office. Repeat, I like cooking. Repeat, I also enjoy music and coffee.
Great work. Now, connectors and pronunciation.
Section 4. Useful connectors and short pronunciation tips.
Use connectors to connect ideas. I'm from Brazil, but I live in Portugal. I work with computers and I study English. I like music and I also like films.
Pronunciation tip. In the word English, make the glish clear, English. In the word with, the th is soft, with. Do it slowly. Good job.
Now, let's practice in a role play.
Section 5. Role play. Meeting someone at work.
I'll be the colleague. You listen first, then you repeat.
Hi, my name is Bruno. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Bruno. I'm Nancy. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal. And you?
I'm from Brazil, but I live here now.
What do you do?
I work with computers. I'm in IT.
Great. I study English in the evening.
Me too. I like learning new things.
Now, repeat the role play with us, slowly. Repeat each line after the speaker. Next situation, let's travel.
Section 6. Role play. Travel situation.
Listen first.
Hi, my name is Bruno.
Hello, Bruno. I'm Nancy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. I'm here on vacation.
Nice. What do you like to do on vacation?
I like walking and trying local food.
Now, repeat slowly with us. Repeat each line after the speaker. You did great. Quick quiz now.
Section 7. Mini quiz. Check your understanding.
Question 1. What does "tell me about yourself" mean? A. Your whole life story. B. A short introduction. C. Only your job.
Answer B. A short introduction.
Question 2. Which connector fits here? I'm from Brazil, blank, I live in Portugal. A. And. B. But. C. Also.
Answer B. But.
Question 3. Choose a natural sentence. A. My name Bruno. B. I am Bruno. C. I have Bruno.
Answer B. I am Bruno.
Great work.
Section 8. Your turn. Guided practice.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions slowly. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like?
Speak out loud. Your voice matters.
Many beginners worry about mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Mistakes help you learn.
Fluency comes with time.
And praxis. Now, let's improve your answer.
Section 9. Upgrade your answer. Add one more detail.
For example, I'm from Brazil, but I live in Porto. I work in an office and I study English online. I like music and I also enjoy coffee.
Now repeat with us. I'm from Angola, but I live in Lisbon. I work from home and I study at night. I like films and I also like travel.
Excellent. This small detail makes your answer more rich and friendly.
Section 10. Short recap and homework.
Listen and repeat. Hi, my name is Anna. I'm from Portugal. I work in an office. I like music and coffee.
Great job today. You practiced real English for real conversations.
Now write a short introduction in the comments. 3 or 4 sentences is perfect.
Read other comments.
Learn together.
If this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to Daily Slow English.
and share this video with friends or family who are learning English.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.